Welcome drummers, and here's a video to demonstrate different types of metronomes. As you can see, I have Googled the word metronome online. So we're going to start off with a web-based metronome. So open this one here, iMusic School. And this one has, starting off with 60 beats per minute, and all metronomes give you a tempo in beats per minute. So a minute is divided into beats. 60 beats per minute is 1 beat per second. And so it sounds like this. Okay, on this particular metronome, there's a slider and a plus and a minus on both sides of it. Plus over here, minus over here. That allows me to change the tempo. So I'm going to change to 120. This is 2 beats per second. And as you can see, this says a grouping of 2 right here, 2 beats per measure, we would call that. So if I wanted to increase that number, there's a plus and a minus down here. And then I can make it stress the first beat of each measure. This metronome allows us to divide the beat, subdivide. We have 8th note subdivision, 16th note subdivision. It even goes to triple subdivision and triple quarter plus eighth, so it's like a swing feel. All right, so that is a very functional metronome online. Metronomes also have a tap feature where you can feel or hear a beat and tap it and get a sense for how fast that is. Now on our app metronome, we have on this metronome in the upper left the tempo. Right here you have how many beats there are in a measure. The subdivision, so this is subdividing 4 times per beat, so 16th notes essentially. This metronome gives you visual flashes in different colors and shows each beat down here. That's showing you, each subdivision. And then down here you can do kind of a quick change of tempos, and it even tells you what the Italian terminology is for that tempo. This app will allow you to do a tap if you just select this part. You see how the tempo is changing? So now I have 84 beats a minute. This is about the tempo I just tapped on it. So I hope that this video helps you to understand how to work different types of metronomes and make them the most useful for your practice. Happy drumming.